Hey, what's up guys? So you have a on Roku TV. I'm going to show you how to reset your TV audio and picture settings. You basically want to do a reset if you have issues, perhaps with your audio. Maybe there's no audio, no sound, or maybe it's in and out, or maybe it's out of sync. And with the picture settings, maybe you have no picture or a black screen when you're watching a movie or show, or maybe it's flickering black. Anyway, this is one of the options to try, okay? So how you reset TV audio and picture settings? Simply, you just want to go into your home, tap on the home button on your remote. And then from here, if you look on the left-hand side, you want to go down to settings. So we're going to go down to settings, move over to the right here. And then from here, you want to go all the way down to system. Oops, go back up, system right there. Move over to the right. Then from here, you just want to go all the way down to advanced system settings. So go down right here, move over to the right, it says factory reset. Now move over to the right again. And you're not going to factory reset everything. You're just going to reset the TV and audio, okay? You can see right down here if you want to proceed resetting the sound or audio in the picture settings. What you have to do from here is you need to press the play/pause button right here. You want to go ahead and press that 3 times. And then what that's going to do is just reset everything back to the original default values or settings. Anyway, that's how you reset your TV audio and picture settings, okay? Any questions or issues, just comment below, all right? Good luck, guys.